Alright, this is putting together an instructional video here for a tow mirror upgrade on a Ford F-250. This is the tow mirror that I previously had on, a telescopic, and this is actually my first upgrade. I've upgraded to the more recent model's version of the telescopic tow mirror with turn signal and power. It actually has a heated option as well, but I didn't wire that in. Mirror upgrade, and this, once you're all said and done, this is what we're talking about. Okay, and I'll include a link to the seller that I bought this from on eBay. It's fairly simple installation. So if you don't know how to install just the mirror itself, there are 4 bolts, one here, and then those 2. You simply peel this back, pop these off, take a nut driver, and you can basically just take out the old one, put in the new one, and that's it. It's a simple installation. If you want to do the wiring, then that's where you have to remove the door paneling, where that comes in, and we'll get into that. So now, one other thing, this kit, or this new mirror, came with this adapter, which you will need if you have an older model like mine. Mine is a 2000, and what I've done is basically taken this, popped it into here. There's a back behind here, which just had to get up here a little bit, is the connection where this pops into, and that again is for the power option. So if your vehicle has the power option like mine does, you're good to go. Now let's get into the specifics on the colors here and the wiring that I had to figure out. So the blue wire is turn signal. The red wire is the running lights, and the black is the ground. Okay, those are the 3 wires that you'll need to be concerned with to get these lights going. I'll show you how I wired mine. What I did was I popped this out for my running lights. I T-tapped into the wire for the running lights, and that's where this red wire is here for the turn signal. Opened up this box here, got into the main wiring, and it's kind of hard to focus, but basically there's 2 wires here. Okay, there's one that's orange with a blue stripe, and then there's one that's green with an orange stripe. The green and orange stripe is the left turn signal. The orange with blue stripe is the right turn signal. So technically I'm actually plugged into the wrong one. I just needed to get some kind of source to figure out the wiring here. Okay, so when you do it, remember, just like I said, the green and orange stripe is left, orange and blue stripe is right. And then those 2 wires, I'm going to fish through this rubber piece here, and then they'll come out. I'll run them along, and then I'll probably just cut back here, cut back open this, and then splice into the corresponding wires. And then the ground, I'll probably just set something on the frame here, a little piece of wire, and run a ground to the ground wire. And that's it. Basic, simple installation. There's really nothing too difficult about it. So just to recap, the wiring pins here, blue is turn signal, black is ground, and red is running lights. And that's all you need to know. It'll be the same thing for the other side. You just need to find your correct turn signal wires, and you're good to go. And of course, tap into your running lights. So if there's anyone out there who's trying to make this upgrade, then I hope this video helps. And I think that about covers it. Have yourself a good day.